हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जी के अपडेट विद उन्नति। सो अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे अपकमिंग वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। सो अगर आप रेलवे एनटीपीसी की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होने वाली है। सो इस वीडियो में हम रेलवे एनटीपीसी के टॉप 40 इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कॉमेंट करके बताना है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। इंडियन रेलवेज दैट प्ले एन इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन आवर लाइफ वॉज नेशनलाइज्ड इन, एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज 1951. Second question. The first Shatabdi Express was introduced between which of the following locations? And the correct answer is New Delhi and Jhansi. Third question. New Humsafar Express 3-tier AC train was flagged off between which two locations on 2nd June 2018? And the correct answer is Jodhpur and Bandra. Fourth question. Bilaspur Manali Leh line, which would be the world's highest railway line once launched, will connect which of the following two locations? And the correct answer is New Delhi, Ladakh. Fifth question. As per Union Budget 2019, India get its first bullet train in which year? And the correct answer is 2022 to 2023. Sixth question. The first Rajdhani Express that connects New Delhi with other larger cities was introduced in which year? And the correct answer is 1969. Seventh question. Which of the following is the longest railway zone in India? And the answer is Northern Railways. Eighth question. How much amount has been allocated for the Bengaluru Metro Rail project as per the Union Budget 2019 and 2020? And the correct answer is rupees 17,000 crore. Ninth question. Which of the following railway station has the longest railway platform in India? And the correct answer is Gorakhpur Railway Station. 10th question. How many user-friendly sections are available under Rail Drishti dashboard launched by Railway Minister Piyush Goyal? And the correct answer is 15 sections. 11th question. Which of the following has been declared the cleanest railway station in the A1 category as per 2080 Cleanliness Survey for Indian Railways? And the correct answer is Jodhpur. 12th question. What is the tagline of Indian Railways Catering and Tourism Corporation, that is IRCTC? And the correct answer is the lifeline of the nation. 13th question. When was the first train steamed off in India? And the correct answer is 1853. 14th question. Where is the Railway Staff College located? And the answer is Vadodara. 15th question. As per the insurance policy coverage for the Indian Railway passengers, what is the sum insured if the person dies in a train accident? And the correct answer is 10 lakh. 16th question. Which of the following railway station is situated in the extreme south? And the correct answer is Kanyakumari Railway Station. 17th question. Which is India's first double-decker train? And the correct answer is Ahmedabad-Mumbai Central Express. 18th question. Swachh Rail Swachh Bharat Abhiyan to ensure the standard of cleanliness was launched by which railway minister? And the correct answer is Suresh Prabhu. 19th question. Who among the following is known as the father of Indian Railways? And the correct answer is Lord Dalhousie. 20th question. Which of the following is the headquarters of the newly established railway zone East Coast Railways? And the answer is Bhubaneswar. 21st question. The International Union of Railways, an international body of the rail transport industry, consists of how many members? And the answer is 200 members. 22nd question. The Future of Rail report was prepared by the International Union of Railways in association with which organization? And the correct answer is International Energy Agency. 23rd question. In which of the following cities are located 3 zonal headquarters of Indian Railway? And the answer is Kolkata. 24th question. Who was the first railway minister of independent India? And the correct answer is John Mathai. 25th question. Shatabdi Express trains were introduced in 1989 to commemorate the 100th anniversary of which of the following personalities? And the correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. 26th question. Which of the following express is the slowest express with an average speed of 10 km per hour? And the answer is Nilgiri Express. 27th question. What is the rank of India in the world in terms of length of railroad network? And the answer is 4th rank. 28th question. Who among the following is the first female train driver of the Indian Railways in India? And the answer is Surekha Yadav. 29th question. The longest railway bridge in India is located on which lake? And the answer is Vembanad Lake. 30th question. How many zones are there in Indian Railways? And the answer is 18. 31st question. Who was the first woman rail minister of India? And the answer is Mamata Banerjee. 32nd question. Which country has the longest railway network? And the answer is United States. 33rd question. First private train in India? And the answer is Tejas Express. 34th question. The largest integral coach factory in India is located at? And the answer is Chennai. 35th question. When was the first underground railway, metro railway, started in India? And the answer is 1984. 36th question. When was the Central Railway established? And the answer is 1951. 37th question. Which is the fastest train in India? And the correct answer is Vande Bharat Express. 38th question. A station where the rail line end is called? And the answer is Terminal Station. 39th question. How much distance was travelled by first train of India? And the answer is 34 km. And the last 40th question. Shatabdi Express train was started in? And the correct answer is 1988. तो ये थे रेलवे एनटीपीसी के टॉप 40 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स। और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रेलवे टनल इन इंडिया इज द लॉन्गेस्ट। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।